Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The lesson we have this afternoon is law of the exponents, okay? So they gave you like 4 different ones here, and we'll go through them all. This really falls under the power rule, this first one, okay? So, get the pen going, pen. I wish these things stayed going all the time, and they don't, but that's the way it goes. So we get the power rule here, okay? So this kind of doesn't show a fraction, but on a fraction, what you do to the top, you do to the bottom. And that's basically it. So what it shows here, I'll just use on this one here for the example above. It shows a to the x with y outside the brackets. And all you do is y times x, and that's it. So even though you have nothing inside on this a, it's really a to the first, remember? B to the first, okay? So its answer is a to the n over b to the n, because 1 times n is n, okay? And that's it. So now let's go to the next one. So we get x is 4 times 5, so that's times. So 4 times 5 is 20 over y. 4 times 4, 16. And that's the answer. Let's square off the top one too. I like to square off things. That way the teacher knows, hey, these are my answers. Okay, now let's go on the next one. How this works is this 2, the square part, goes on each one that's in here. So it's 3 square. Okay, 3 times 3 is, let's write 3 square first, and then I'll go further. And then we get x to the 4th. 2 times 2 is 4. Now, 2 times y, 3 times 2 is 6. Now, I already know 3 times 3 is 9. So my answer is going to be 9. That's probably going to be the right answer. 9x to the 4th over y to the 6th. Now let's square this off, because that's my answer. And that's basically it. Now let's do this part. Okay, let's go to the next one. So we go to the 3 times 2 is 2 cubed. 3 times x cubed is x to the 9th. 3 times 3 is 9. Now on the bottom, we get 5 cubed. And then 3 times 5 is 15, so y to the 15th. Now let's carry that out. We go 2 times 3, 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2. So we get 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So we get 8x to the 9th over 5 cubed. Let's see, 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 again, it's 125. 125. Then y to the 15th. And they'll square this off so the teacher knows, hey, this is my answer. Yeah, and that's basically it. Now, I kind of knew that 5 cubed was 125, just like you knew 5 square is 25. I kind of learned a lot of the cube roots. I just kind of memorized them, because on a lot of tests, you're going to see they use square roots and cube roots, okay? Very seldom do they go to the 4th and the 5th and the 6th and the 7th, but you're going to see on a lot of tests, you're going to see squares and cubes. And a lot of times on the multiple choice ones, they're going to show you the 125. So you got to kind of know, oh, I'm going to have 125, okay? So if you just know that, you'll be way ahead of the game, okay? So it's a good thing to try to memorize that if you get time, okay? And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. It'll help my YouTube ratings. And subscribe to my channel. I'll be super happy. And remember what I always say is math can be fun. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye.